Classics ISSO, Notes of Chapter 1, Study the Past. By studying the past, we can find out the kinds of food people ate, the kinds of clothes people wore, the kinds of houses in which people lived. Suleiman and Kittar Hills are the areas in the northwest part of Indian subcontinent. People of this area first began to grow crops like wheat and barley. North of India is the place where rice was first grown. About 2500 years ago, cities developed on the banks of river Ganga and its tributaries. Magadha. Magadha is the first big kingdom. Garo Hills. Garo Hills is the place where agriculture was first developed. And the people who settled on the bank of river Indus were referred to as Sindhus. Manuscripts are handwritten text. Inscriptions or writing on the stones or metal using hammer or any other sharp tool. Archaeologists study the remains of buildings made of stones and bricks, paintings and sculptures. They also explore and excavate to find tools, weapons, pots, pans, ornaments and coins. Proto-history includes Indus Valley civilization. Inscriptions are written records. Secular literature includes biographies. CE means Common Era. All inscription contains both scripts and languages. Manuscripts were also written on palm leaf. About 8,000 years ago, people began rearing animals like sheep, cattle and goat. Coins are an extremely valuable source of information. They tell us about the reigning period of kings, the economy of kingdom, extent of king's empire and about trade with other regions. Early writing was done on pillar, copper tablets, clay tablets, bark of birch trees. And archaeological sources includes ornaments, tools and temples. Buildings of historical importance are called monuments. Puranas are important source of information on ancient history. Archaeological look for bones of animals to find out what people ate in the past. Types of history includes prehistory, proto-history, medieval history and ancient history. Greeks and Iranians came about 2500 years ago, were familiar with the Indus and called it as Hindus or Indus.